The right tools can transform the woodworking experience, especially for those just starting. With so many tools to choose from, it's easy to get lost in the options. It's best to build your collection with a few reliable pieces that offer both quality and versatility. All the mentioned tools links are in the description below. Number 20. Incra Miter V27. If you're unhappy with your table saw's stock miter gauge, the Incra V27 is a reliable upgrade worth considering. Factory miter gauges are often subpar, but the V27 excels with precise positive stops at 5-degree increments, including 22.5 degrees. Adjusting it is simple with a quick knob twist. It's highly accurate for 0 degrees and 45 degrees cuts, locks securely, and eliminates wobbling by fitting snugly into the miter slot. You can also attach a faux fence for added support. With its durable build and affordable price, the V27 significantly enhances accuracy and usability for your woodworking projects. Number 19. Microjig Grip Smart Pushblock. It's an essential tool for anyone working with a router table, bandsaw, or jointer, thanks to its smart design and versatility. It features foldable legs that tuck away when not needed, but can also lock in place for extra control, making it especially helpful when guiding cuts on bandsaws and jointers. The bottom of the block has a grippy surface that provides a firm hold on materials, ensuring smooth and safe operation during cuts. This design allows for precise control and reduces the risk of slips or errors. For optimal stability and safety, it's best to use 2 push blocks, particularly when working with jointers or bandsaws, as this setup offers greater balance and control during woodworking projects. Number 18. DFM Small Square and Center Finder. This is a compact and incredibly versatile tool that's perfect for any workshop. One of its key features is the built-in center finder, which makes finding the exact center of materials quick and easy. Simply insert the 2 included pins into the designated holes, place your pencil in the step-down center hole, and mark the center with precision. It's a straightforward and reliable solution for an essential woodworking task. In addition to its center finding function, the FM square is ideal for checking the squareness of chisels, ensuring they're perfectly aligned for precise cuts. It also works as a standard square, making it useful for squaring up blades, edges, or other materials during your projects. Its palm-sized design adds to its convenience, allowing you to use it comfortably and store it easily. Number 17. Thin Rip Jig. This tool is an affordable and incredibly practical solution for anyone needing to make thin, consistent strips of wood using a table saw. The process is simple. First, set the fence on your initial piece of stock to establish the desired thickness for your strips. Once you've set the thickness, make a cut, move the fence to the next position, make another cut, and repeat. This tool ensures that each strip you cut is of uniform thickness. Once you've adjusted the fence to the desired thickness, tighten the knob to securely lock it in place, turning it into a reliable stop block for your cuts. This stop block feature ensures consistency, helping you achieve strips of the same size every time. Number 16. WoodRiver Deluxe Tenoning Jig. Crafted from precision machined heavy-duty cast iron, this tenoning jig offers durability and stability, ensuring accurate and reliable performance. It is compatible with table saws, featuring a 3/4 inch by 3/8 inch in miter gauge slot. The WoodRiver Deluxe Tenoning Jig is versatile and can be easily integrated into your existing setup. Its large feed handles provide precise control during operation, allowing for smooth and accurate adjustments. One of its standout features is the quick release mechanism, which saves setup time and enhances efficiency. This feature allows for rapid adjustments and transitions between different cuts, maximizing productivity in the workshop. For woodworkers who prioritize precision and durability, the WoodRiver Deluxe Tenoning Jig is an essential tool that offers exceptional performance and reliability. Number 15. Bosch 12-volt Max Planer. This is a compact and easy-to-handle cordless planer designed for efficient, powerful operation. It features an EC brushless motor, providing professional-level performance with 14,500 RPM for fast, smooth stock removal. When planing at a 0.04-inch depth in hard wood, it offers up to 33 feet of planing per battery amp hour, ensuring long run time. With a 2.2-inch planing width, it's perfect for trimming door edges. settings. The planer allows a single pass depth of up to 0.08 inches and can create rabbets up to 0.7 inches deep. Weighing just 3.3 pounds and measuring just over 10 inches in length, it's compact and ergonomic for easy use. The switchable shavings ejection lets you direct shavings either left or right. Number 14. Rockler Corner Key Dowel Jig. The Rockler hardwood dowels are designed to help you create strong and decorative mitered joints by running dowels through the joint at a 45-degree angle. The Corner Key Dowel Jig's exposed oval dowel ends add a unique decorative touch, while the dowels themselves provide additional strength to the joint, much like splines do. This drill jig is versatile, allowing you to drill straight holes and use a variety of materials, such as solid wood dowels in contrasting species, non-ferrous metal tubes, or even a combination of both. For even more creative options, you can tie the joint together with leather laces or achieve advanced decorative effects by double drilling to create dowels with a multi-layered core. This wood joiner jig not only helps create beautiful mitered joints, but also reinforces mitered corners on boxes, drawers, and other woodworking projects. Number 13. Microjig Fitfinder 1/2 gauge. It is a highly practical tool that quickly measures the exact half thickness of any material, eliminating the need for guesswork and complicated calculations. With this tool, you can easily create precise, well-fitting joints, ensuring accuracy in your projects. It simplifies the process of setting fences and transferring cutting depths. The Fitfinder 1/2 gauge provides a fast and accurate setup, allowing you to focus on your craft without the hassle of manual measurements. Its user-friendly design requires no math or complex measuring, streamlining your workflow and improving efficiency. Ideal for creating tight joints and consistent results, the Microjig Fitfinder 1/2 gauge is an indispensable tool for any workshop. Number 12. Portable Sawmill. This versatile tool enhances any woodworking setup, particularly for furniture making, and works with chainsaws like the 137, 142, 236, 240, MS 170, MS 180, and more. Check the product description via the link below. Made from durable aluminum and steel, it offers excellent rust protection. The die-cast aluminum housing and plastic sprayed surface ensure longevity, while the aluminum knife shaft with ball bearings at both ends adds durability. It transforms chainsaws into powerful planers, making it perfect for woodworkers who need fast bark removal. This tool saves time, labor, and production costs and caters to various woodbarking tasks. Setup is simple. Just drill 2 holes in the chainsaw's guide plate, fit the screws, and use the recommended chain length. Number 11. Digital Angle Finder. The Gem Red Digital Angle Finder is a durable stainless steel tool that combines a protractor and ruler, offering precise measurements with laser-etched markings for easy reading. It provides an accuracy of plus or minus 0.3 degrees and is ideal for tasks like woodworking and crown molding. The tool folds to 7.5 inches, 200 millimeters, and extends to 400 millimeters. A locking feature ensures angle stability for easy reading, though it does not offer reverse angle or display functions. Powered by a CR2032 battery, it's designed for reliable, long-lasting use, making it a valuable addition to your toolkit. Number 10. SpeTool Carbide Spiral Bit. These router bits are built for precision and long-lasting use. They have a 1/4 inch shank, 1 inch cutting diameter, and 1 inch cutting length, with an overall length of 2.5 inches. They're compatible with routers that have a 1/4 inch collet, making them great for different projects. What makes them stand out is their compression cut design, which has both up and down cut flutes. This feature ensures smooth, clean edges and prevents the top and bottom of your workpiece from splintering. Made from solid carbide, these bits deliver accurate, consistent cuts every time. They're perfect for softwoods, hardwoods, plywood, laminate, oak, and MDF. Plus, their 2-flute spiral design helps remove chips quickly and keeps the bit cooler. Number 9. Makita 18 VLXT Lithium-Ion Cordless Multi-Tool. This tool is a valuable addition to any toolkit, offering versatility for a variety of tasks. Its lightweight design enhances ease of use, particularly during extended projects. A built-in battery capacity warning system includes an indicator light and automatically stops the motor to signal when recharging is needed. The cordless design allows for greater mobility, making it especially useful in confined spaces or outdoor outdoor environments. With a reliable and efficient motor, it delivers consistent performance for quick and effective task completion. Additionally, variable speed settings enable precise adjustments to match the requirements of each job, ensuring optimal results. Number 8. WORKPRO Miter Saw Stand. This all-in-one tool easily transforms into a scaffold, dolly, creeper, and platform. Ideal for woodworking, repairs, and masonry projects. With its quick folding design and telescoping legs, you can adjust it to 3 different heights for maximum versatility. The large non-slip feet provide solid stability no matter where you use it. Made from strong steel, it supports up to 330 pounds and features a reversible panel. One side has an anti-skid surface, while the other has a scale with a protractor for precise measurements. It's super easy to move. Plus, the miter saw stand attaches securely with 4 metal toggle latches, and the adjustable tool mounts ensure a perfect fit. Additional handy features include multiple output and input sockets, a reset switch, and built-in storage compartments. Number 7. Pocket Compass. These pocket-sized compasses offer a significant upgrade from traditional larger beam compasses. Designed with 2 precision-engineered telescoping sections, they lock securely with a quick twist. Featuring laser-etched imperial and metric scales along with a pivot hole on one side, they allow for easy and precise circle drawing. Unlike bulky traditional options, these compact tools fit conveniently in your apron, providing a more comfortable and practical alternative. Number 6. Dual Blade Circular Saw. This tool's dual blade design improves stability and prevents material distortion, allowing it to cut even delicate items like eggs. It also serves as an electric metal cutter, efficiently working with wood, plastic, composite board, and sheet metal up to 0.078 inches thick without requiring blade changes. Its diamond blade enables smooth cutting of tile and marble. Weighing 11.6 pounds, the saw features an 8-amp copper motor delivering speeds of up to 5,500 RPM for efficient cuts with a maximum depth of 1.25 inches. Safety elements like a trigger lock and a dust extraction port enhance usability, while the lightweight design supports one-handed operation, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Number 5. Thorvald new 2-in-1 Carpenter Pencils. Are you struggling to trace on concrete or metal? Writing on dark surfaces is no longer an issue with the yellow leads provided with this construction pen. These leads are not only ideal for tracing anywhere, but are also stronger than standard dry leads. The pen is solid, precise, and practical, and its bright orange color makes it easy to spot even in the midst of a carpentry project. Its fine 6mm point and 43mm length allow it to reach and trace in any hole effortlessly. Thanks to the new finger grip, this construction marking pen ensures easier writing compared to other construction pencils, and the grip is removable. You can quickly switch to deep hole marker mode when needed. Number 4. Thorvald 6-in-1 Master Square. This versatile carpenter's tool is designed to simplify woodworking projects, making them more efficient and saving time and effort. It combines 6 essential functions in one: square, protractor, marking gauge, ruler, drill gauge, and wrench. Constructed from durable 4mm thick aluminum, it is both lightweight and robust. The square features precise 1/16 inch graduations for accurate measurements. Additionally, it includes a 2-in-1 carpenter's pencil with a removable grip for added convenience. Number 3. XFasten Double-Sided Woodworking. This double-sided woodworking tape is easy to use and ideal for edge routing, banding, splicing, anchoring, and pattern cutting. It leaves no residue and won't damage wood surfaces. At just 0.21mm thick, the tape provides a slim profile for seamless contact with wood templates while withstanding high-speed CNC machines up to 4,500 revolutions per minute. It offers strong adhesion that is easy to remove without leaving sticky residue or harming delicate surfaces. Developed in collaboration with professional woodworkers, this tape is crafted for optimal performance in router template applications. Its cloth backing prevents curling and tearing, making it easy to handle, apply, and remove, reducing prep time for each project. With a total length of 180 feet, the tape is designed for fast and efficient use. Its quick-release liner allows for easy peel-off and transfer, improving workflow when working. Number 2. QT25 V27 scribing tool, a high-quality instrument designed for precision and convenience in woodworking tasks like fitting countertops, cabinet fillers, and moldings. It features triangular tungsten carbide blades that are durable and allow for efficient scribing with minimal strokes, especially on painted or pre-finished materials. The ergonomic 3-finger grip makes it comfortable to use, and the tool is constructed from anodized aluminum to resist rust. A laser-etched ruler provides accurate metric or imperial measurements. Additionally, the blades can be rotated for longevity, and the tool includes a non-marring plastic cover to protect finished surfaces. While it's not suitable for rough surfaces like stone or scribing unfinished wood due to visibility issues. Number 1. Milescraft Joint Master. This versatile jig is designed for creating edge, corner, and surface joints in woodworking projects, with a durable all-metal construction that ensures consistent, strong joints. It includes 3 adjustable drill blocks for common dowel sizes and features built-in scales, centering marks, and spacer blocks for precise alignment. The self-clamping design eliminates the need for extra clamps, while the clamp can be repositioned or removed entirely to accommodate different clamping solutions depending on the project's needs. Edge stops and dowel alignment slots further ensure accurate hole placement and surface joint creation. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.